Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For, and this is behind the scenes. Well, I'm going to go ahead and install this seat on the seat part of Elizabeth, and got this at a flea market, and it's got your screw. Happens to have your screw holes. When you go to stadiums or whatever, this has got a stadium seat little adapter so you don't fall back into the person behind you. It'll fold out like so, goes underneath the thing and keeps you going from there. But I'm going to go ahead and install it on Elizabeth here. And went to Walmart. I got this Springfield swivel seat kit. They make another one with it has a little more of a little rise, and then there's another one with a higher rise. This one doesn't. This one's just flat, and it's perfect for what I'm going to need it for. So go ahead and get this installed. I'm not sure exactly what's in the kit, but we'll find out in a minute. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Walmart's got another. I saw a seat that they carried. Looks like it might be a really nice seat, and you'd use that on a big boat. Thought there was screws and stuff with this, but nope. You don't get screws or anything with it. Seat swivel and unlocking. 7. Alright, so at this point, I guess now I gotta find. I was hoping that would come with screws, but at this point, there's no screws. I'm gonna find screws. But good thing is they do. The holes line up, which is good. Let's go see if I can find some screws. I have to use, find some self-tapping for it. So you don't get any screws with that, so be aware. I believe the seat that you get with it actually has the screws. Okay, what I did is I put this on here, measured on each side, made sure it was in the middle. And then because you got these lines here, what you're going to want to do is get your punch, flatten that out. And where you're going to want them, punch down, you flatten it out, and you'll have no problem drilling it. Because you try and drill it like this without flattening your holes out, you'll be all over the place with that drill. Let's get that drill down. I found these 10mm bolt screws. You can actually put nuts on the end of it if you want. But what I did is I went ahead and these don't have any thread. These holes don't have any threads yet. So I just put them in here, and then I use my impact with the 10, and they made their own thread. These are ready to go in. These don't need washers. Get the heads on. There you go. One more. Alright, sweet. Already drilled my holes through. Made with these bolts. These are just bolts that I got. You know, I got 30 years worth of freaking screws and bolts. And like I said, I think with the chair that's coming, or the chair that you buy, is already going to have it on it. Alright, so here we go. It's mounted to the bottom of the chair, alright. Now I don't know what to do. So I gotta go ahead and put these through. I'm gonna have to put the bolts through first. And now just screw them through here. Put them through the bolt. Wash this to that. Put stuff together without washing. Trying to get all my screws and washers and stuff together. That's what we should do. Screwed up. Alright, so that's that there. What you want. There's no ones in the front, one in the back. I'm gonna sort my stuff real quick here. All right, they're on there. They're tight. Kind of a mix and match amount of washers here, but there we are. We now have a seat. All right. So hopefully that'll get her on there. Hopefully that'll be enough, nice enough setup. Bolts up now. They'll throw it right in the back. We'll be good to go. Alright, so quick together. Take you about an hour to sort everything. If you go to the store and get the bolts and stuff you need, you'll be all set. So, it's just my mix match of stuff kicking around here. And I'm gonna take care of that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on the next Searching For, and this is behind the scenes. And this was building a portable seat for Elizabeth.